Hi, welcome to the Danville Public Library. I'm Miss Nancy, and this week we are making scarecrows. So yours might not look exactly like this, but this is the general idea. So you're going to get a little kit. You can pick it up at curbside or come in and see us because we'd love to see you. And in it will be this really cute, there's an acorn maze and there's an autumn unscramble with words. So that'll be lots of fun too. So the first thing that I like to do whenever I get the craft kit is take it out, and of course it includes instructions, so if you have any questions just follow along with that or rewind and watch this again. You'll have 4 sticks, a little 5 sticks, a little piece of cardboard, some raffia or string, a piece of paper for a hat, another piece of paper for the brim, a piece of paper for the nose, and then some googly eyes. And then you'll be all set and ready to go. So the first thing that I like to do is glue my, for this Elmer's glue works the best. I'm going to glue my sticks together. Now you can also glue it onto the cardboard, which I probably will do at the end, but I'm just going to put like a roll of glue, and then I'm going to snug it right up to my other. And I'm going to continue to do that. Just going to put a stripe of glue like that and snug it up to my other stick. And a stripe of glue. And we'll snug it up like that. One more stripe of glue. Just kind of, there we go. All right, and I'm just going to let that dry for a little bit, and while that's drying, I'm going to cut out my hat. So, I'm just going to kind of make a little strip at the bottom and then kind of cut up straight. So I'm basically just cutting out kind of like a rectangle on both sides. So I'm just going to kind of guess. Now, if you're not into squares or rectangles, that's fine too. You can curve the ends if you like. There we go. Got a little hat just like that. And then I'm going to need a little brim for it. So I'll just take my little strip of black or whatever color and just kind of cut it down. And then I'm going to take, you can, at this point you can use your glue stick if you've got one, because it's super quick and easy to just put a strip of glue. And then I just stick that on my hat like so. And then I happen to have a couple of stickers, so I'm just kind of going to embellish my hat a little bit with a little sticker like this. And I have a little pumpkin sticker, but you could put any sticker, or you could color it with some, or bedazzle it with some sequins or something fun, or it could be a plain hat too. Anyways, and then I'm going to put it, and I kind of want it at an angle, so I'm going to add a little glue on the back of here like so, and I'm going to put it down like that. Now, this string or whatever that's with it is to kind of make some hair. So you can cut it, or what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to take and run myself a line of glue like so. And then I'm just going to kind of zigzaggy this hair through the glue. Kind of make a loop up and down, and a loop up and down, and a loop up and down, just kind of back and forth like this, and then a little bit more of a loop up and down, like that. And then, to make it look even cooler, I'm going to cut the edges here. Make it look more like hair. just kind of leave the end right there. Just kind of make sure this is sticking underneath there. So you'll probably need to let it sit a little bit once you kind of got it glued down. If you have a grown-up that wants to help and you want to use a little hot glue for this, that'll work too. And then, like, if you want to, you can unfray or like undo the string a little bit and make it look kind of messy, like your hair does after it's been blowing in the wind. You can kind of mess it up a little bit if you want, just by undoing the edges a little bit. Anyways, then once it's done, there's 2 eyes, so you will just take them off of the paper and stick them on like so. And then I need a nose, so I'm just going to cut a triangle. Now you can cut any kind of triangle you want. I'm just going to go more of a isosceles maybe? I don't know. I think I'd like it just a little bit smaller. So you can have a big nose or a small nose or whatever kind of nose you want. I'm going to put a little glue like so. And then it needs a mouth. And so for that, I'm just using a black marker. And I'm just going to take and draw a nice big smile like that. And I'm just going to add a little lines just like it was stitched. Like that. And there we have it, all finished. My little scarecrow. So come in and pick one up or pick it up at curbside. Check out some books on scarecrows. We'd love to see you. See you soon. Bye.